In the remote Galapagos Islands, life moves at a different pace. Here, volcanic rock meets endless ocean, and evolution experiments in slow motion. Among these ancient landscapes lives a creature that seems to defy time itself. Giant tortoises, living relics of an older Earth, and among the longest-lived vertebrates ever recorded. Giant tortoises can live more than 150 years. Their secret begins with metabolism. Tortoises operate on extremely low metabolic rates. They burn energy slowly, produce fewer free radicals, and generate far less oxidative stress than most animals their size. Their heart beats far slower than mammals, and their cells divide more cautiously, reducing the chance of cancer-causing mutations. Recent genetic studies have revealed even deeper clues. Giant tortoises possess enhanced versions of DNA repair genes and tumor-suppressor genes, molecular guardians that patrol the genome. Among them are extra copies of TP53, a gene often called the guardian of the genome, responsible for stopping damaged cells before they become cancerous. This expanded network of protective genes, combined with their slow, deliberate metabolism, creates a body that ages at a crawl, a system built not for speed, but for survival. But TP53 is only part of the story. Giant tortoises also have strong antioxidant defenses and mitochondria that produce far fewer toxic byproducts, protecting their cells for decades. They also possess low inflammation gene variants, preventing the chronic inflammatory damage that accelerates aging in most mammals. Their immune systems are unusually resilient, and their cells eliminate damage quickly, stopping tumors before they begin. Many of these traits likely evolved on isolated islands, where few predators and harsh conditions favored creatures that lived slowly and lived long. In tortoises, aging does not rush, it drifts quietly in the background of a life measured in centuries.